Hello. Alright, so for this video we're going to be making a pointed roof, like on a home. So if you could pause the video here and set up just a building and a basic road with your horizon line, and then start following along with me. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is find the halfway point on this front line. There's two ways to do it. You can just measure it. Mine's 3, so it'd be 1.5. Or you can just eyeball it. So you're going to do the same thing on the back line. So find just about the halfway point. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to decide how tall we want our roof. And we're going to draw a line straight up and down. So make sure it's parallel to the outside line of your building. And we're going to draw a line above the house. So make sure it's below the horizon line just for this example. Later you can change that up if you'd like. Alright, now what we're going to do is we are going to connect this top line back to our vanishing point. I'll draw a very light line. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to connect this point down to this point. But we're going to go a little lower, and I'll show you why. So extend it off the building just a little bit, and you're going to do that on both sides. Just like that. Now what I want you to do is draw a line straight up. So match it up, and you're just going to do a little bit of a line. Just a little, and I'll show you what to do next. So from the point to the top, you're going to draw a parallel line to match up with this one. Extend it a little lower. So don't angle it down and don't angle it up. Make sure it's parallel to that first line. And draw straight down. Same thing. Oh, I messed up a little bit. Same thing on both sides. Just like that. Now what I want you to do is connect this top line to the vanishing point. Now you can see that we're going to match up this line straight up. So it needs to be parallel to the side of the building. So nice and straight, and draw that line straight up. Then what you can do, so you could do it like this, draw a line and draw a line, but the thing is, this line's not going to show. We drew it here because it shows. Here it's not going to show, so really you only need to draw this line I'm doing right now, just like that, because this line would be behind. Alright, now you need to decide how much you want the overhang. So you can do it way down here, or you can lift it up. Just make sure that line is parallel to this line, and just connect each side like this. Just like that. Now you can connect this line, or this point, back to the vanishing point. And erase what you don't need. So I don't need that little bit. And start erasing. You can erase all this. Everything inside the roof. because it's not going to show. And the second line. And then you can erase everything inside here and fix anything you accidentally erased. And it should look something like that. Close enough. So that's how you make it look more like a house instead of just a block building.